Part 4. Automated Cleaning. A solid or flashing blue LED indicator means it's time to clean your scanner. To enter automated cleaning mode, press the Smart button 3 times in quick succession. This can be done at any time whether the LED indicator is blue or not. Insert the cleaning card into the feeder like you would with a regular check. The scanner will automatically scrub the card through the entire paper track for maximum effectiveness. This process will take about 30 seconds. At the end, it will eject the card and the LED light will turn green. Please wait another 30 seconds before using the scanner again to ensure that the paper track and rollers are dry. Dispose of the used card when you are finished. These are single-use cards that lose their cleaning properties after a few minutes. Visit www.digitalcheck.com for product information and training tips. Order supplies online at store.digitalcheck.com.